Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set your Instagram account private. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account. Now go to your menu. In this option, you can see here account privacy. Press on this. If you want to set your Instagram account private, you just have to turn on the button. Now press on switch to private. That's it. So this is how to set your Instagram account private. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.